I was also very fortunate to get a job at Hawaiian, which was the Center of Hawaiian Language here at UH Manoa, and that also meant that I got some quality time with Ipo Wang, a native from Niihau. And when she would allow me to, I would go into her office and ask her questions, functional Hawaiian for my wife and my kids at home. One was, if they're on like my school paper and I need the baby to like get off of it, how do I say get off? And I couldn't figure it out, looked in the dictionary, what is the word to get off of something? Ones that I found weren't really working, and she gave me some of the most simple but profound things to say, which would be like, oh, here makai, or just ne'e, ne'e aku, or ne'e mai, or depending on where you want the baby to go. And I was like, wow. So those really functional everyday things were really helpful for me. But a lot of times too, she would eat lunch with us and she would just tell stories, and I would just sit there and I'd say anything. I would just soak it up, anything that she would be willing to share or give. That was a huge influence on my language abilities as time went on.